Always amazes me how brave these suckers are. Look at him, right in front of us.